Well, I can't think of any other city when it comes to the growth over the last 10 to 15 years a city has had. Dubai has changed massively over the last 10 15 years. If you want to go ahead, check out some pictures of Dubai 10 years back and pictures of Dubai now. And it looks like they will continue to do the same. Dubai has recognized the power of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, and they are going to issue licenses for the exchanges there to operate, and thus legitimizing the use of cryptocurrencies and thus helping in the adoption. Welcome back to Crypto Conversation, guys. My name is Shiv. This is channel we talk about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and blockchain. And also, this is not a financial or investment advice, just my personal opinion. But this is definitely a great news coming out of Dubai, which is supporting the cryptocurrency exchanges. So let's see what happens. So the largest free economic zone in the UAE, the free economic zone is the one which is a tax-free zone. They also call it as DMCC, the Dubai Multi Commodities Center, with 0% personal and income tax, has started issuing licenses to firms trading cryptocurrency. So if you are somebody who wants to set up cryptocurrency exchange in Dubai, this is an opportunity for you. The first license has been issued to a gold trader. Can you also see the kind of industry people who are getting started into cryptocurrency space? Gold industry is a huge industry. Somebody from gold, a gold trader getting into cryptocurrencies, massive. That has recently started offering cryptocurrency services. So what exactly he has to say? So DMCC Executive Director of Commodities, Sanjeev Datta, he says that beginning to facilitate a market in cryptocurrencies which he acknowledges is unregulated, citing that firms looking to set up in the zone would be considered as case by case basis. He elaborated, it's a case by case basis because there are other cryptocurrency exchanges, they might just offer their own token which might not have any value, guys. It has to be case to case basis. It's very difficult, honestly. Okay, this brings to an interesting topic, right? So it is very difficult to establish that who is doing what in the name of Bitcoin, right? I mean, you can say that, like what happened with Bitfinex. Bitfinex said that we are a cryptocurrency exchange, but they are trading USDT Tether, which has no value. So at times it becomes very difficult that what else are you doing along with those cryptocurrency in the name of cryptocurrency. So that will be case to case basis. I'm sure you'll have many more examples, right? All the Ponzi schemes are one of them. So to me, what is important is the fact that you are still evaluating it as a part of your innovation strategy. You are not saying no to something, you're not saying yes either, just like India. Just like India. You're not saying yes either, but you are exploring, you're understanding, you're learning, you're studying. So you're clearly ahead of the others when the time to make a decision comes. This is interesting. Super. So cryptocurrency is a commodity. DX is a member of Global Blockchain Council. When began as a Dubai Smart City project, has 46 member organizations globally today. The Center's Director of Innovation Hub, Franco Bosani, said that a global consensus is emerging with favors classifying cryptocurrencies as commodities. It is a commodity, somewhat, maybe it is. It's not a currency, I think so. The news outlet detailed and quoted explaining, DNCC's view is that these cryptocurrencies meet the test of a commodity. They are priced based on supply and demand. When the prices goes up because people are buying it, when the prices goes down, people are selling it off because lot many funds out there. Produced and sold globally at a uniform quality, indistinguishable between products. So what happens then? So as we develop our framework, we will also want to check in and have the conversations with, for example, US regulators. They're very fast, by the way. You all know what happened at the Senate meeting recently. The CFTC, the new crypto hero, said he gave an example of his son, that how his son or cousin or whatever started holding Bitcoin on his own. So excited. They also said they owe it to the new generation. Wasn't that interesting? So for example, so check in and have conversation with examples with, for example, US regulators, Japanese regulators, and so on and so forth, so that there is some alignment of approach to avoid any regulatory arbitrage. This is so cool, isn't it? So, if there is any country who cannot decide how to regulate it, what to do, best. You have US regulators, you have Japanese, ask them, go ahead, check them, what they have done. Do the same, man. It's not that difficult. So, first license issue, the first license for the free zone went to Legal Assets, a gold trader and a storage provider with office in US, Canada, and the UAE. Seems like a big guy, isn't it? The company added cryptocurrencies to its product line at the end of the last year, offering brokerage services and insured high security cold storage services for Bitcoin. Cold storage services for Bitcoin, that's interesting. Ether, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Classic, Ripple, and Dash. According to Bloomberg, Dubai gold trader RADMCC is the first company in the Middle East to get a license to trade cryptocurrencies, guys. The news outlet quoted DMCC acknowledging in a statement the company will offer storage of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies in a vault located in DMCC headquarters in Al Almas Tower in Dubai. Have you been there? So DMCC Executive Chairman Ahmed Bain was quoted by the publication, at the heart of the DMCC's long-term strategic growth plan is the use of technology and innovation to disrupt and connect new markets, industries, and customers. Adding that announcement today embodies this approach. No doubt why Dubai is growing so much every day, and everyone across the globe wants to move into this city because of these friendly regulations and the approach towards the new innovative and disruptive technology. Hats off to you, Dubai. Keep growing and let other countries learn from you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Give this video a like and share and subscribe if you're new to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video as the cryptocurrencies continues to evolve and go big.